Good morning. This case is relating to gunshot firing, stab injuries, eyewitnesses, 5 witnesses, family members, and but the Supreme Court, by setting aside the trial court judgment as well as High Court judgment, confirming the lower court judgment, has given various reasons how these witnesses should not be believed. And also very short judgment, 5 to 6 pages. If you go through the judgment, you can understand how efforts were made by the defense counsel to elicit contradictions. That has been deeply discussed all over the judgment. So this is AR 2025 Supreme Court 1680. AR 2025 Supreme Court 1680 Arun versus State of Madhya Pradesh. The section 302. Actually, what had happened, Mohan Singh was stabbed to death, and the witnesses initially mentioned only one accused name in the FIR, but later they seems to have implicated all other 5 accused, and every accused overtact was attributed and narrated by the witnesses. Unfortunately, the doctor who conducted postmortem has categorically stated that the Mohan Singh deceased sustained 5 wounds, and cause of death was shock and internal external hemorrhage due to gunshot wound and other injuries to vital organ. But during the cross-examination, a doctor considered that the wound number 1 was not gunshot wound but was caused by stabbing weapon. This is a crucial point. Then the Supreme Court disbelieved the evidence for these reasons, that the witnesses' evidences were recorded very off late. That means 17 days after. And some of the witnesses were 7 days. Why this delay when they were all available? They are family members of the deceased. Therefore, they say, and that apart, the investigating officer categorically admitted that the narration before the lower court below was not consistent with the 161 statement given to investigating officer. So much discussion was there. You can better go through the entirety of judgment, because every paragraph you can know about the efforts of the lower court advocate who has elicited this sort of inconsistency of witnesses, compelling the Supreme Court to disbelieve the evidences of 5 persons who claiming that they witnessed the occurrence. And the gun was recovered. That seems to be an artificial investigation, artificial narration. Every witness says there was a gunfire shot, but actually there was no injuries. So something investigating officer not trained to investigate the area, whether they have used the gun and also used other weapons to attack the deceased. This is what the investigating officer's fault. This is AR 2025 Supreme Court 1680 Arun versus State of Madhya Pradesh. The defense lawyers must completely go through the entirety of judgment and understand how even the judgment discuss about the cross examinations. Best wishes.